Hello astrology lovers. Today I am going to make video on the aspects of planets. So in my previous videos I have narrated about the Karakas, about the Mool Trikons, about the houses. So now we will learn about the different aspects of the planet. So if you check these charts, these are the specifically 3 charts I have made, and these charts are made for the Saturn, for the Jupiter and for the Mars. Besides these planets, there are other planets who are having the same aspect, like Moon, Sun and Venus and your Mercury. Moon, Sun, Venus, Mercury are having the same aspects, but these 3 planets Saturn, Jupiter and Mars are having different aspects. So like I will start with Sun and Moon, Mercury and Venus. Suppose Sun is being placed here, then it has the natural 7th aspect here. Okay, if you count from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Sun, Moon, Mercury and Venus are having the 7th aspect. So 7th aspect, if you want to learn, it is very simple. The place where the planet is at the current position, just opposite of that house is that the 7th place of a planet. And if you are counting 7 places, then it is important that you count the place of the planet as well. Some people they count 1 from here, but the planet is being placed here, so 1 will be this house only. I think you are getting what I want to say. Suppose if any planet is being sitting here, like Moon is being sitting here, so the 7th place will be just opposite. So this is the 7th house, this is the 7th aspect of the Moon. Now let's talk about the Saturn, Jupiter and Mars. So Saturn is having the 3rd aspect from here. See, this is the 7th house, but Saturn is having the aspect of 3rd aspect here, which lies in 9th house, then having the 7th aspect which is just opposite from the 7th house, and also the 9th aspect, sorry, not 9th, 10th aspect. 7, 8, 9, 10. Saturn is having the 10th aspect. So 3, 7 and 10. These are the aspects of the Saturn. Now let's come to Jupiter. Jupiter is having the 5th aspect. See, this is the house where the Jupiter is being placed. It can be any horoscope here, it can be any number here, but Jupiter is being placed here. So if Jupiter is placed in 1st house or in any house, then from that 1st house we will count the other 5 house, then the 7th house and the 9th house. So 7th house, as I said, that 7th house will always remain in opposite of that planet where it is sitting currently. So 5th, 7th and 9th, these are the aspects of the Jupiter. Now let's come to Mars. Mars is having aspect 4th aspect, 7th and 8th. So suppose Mars is being placed at the 10th house. Now from 10th house, Mars is having aspect on 1st house. It means that is 4th from 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th from 10th. Then afterwards it has 7th. 7th aspect is common for all the planets. 7th aspect is generally for all the planets, but these 3 planets are very special, and these 3 planets are having the special aspects. So that this is the 7th and this is the 8th aspect of the Mars. So like you maybe have this question that why these 3 planets having the special aspects and not the other. So like the other planets are within the orbit of the Earth, and these planets are out of the orbit. So that's why they have an influence on Earth, and that's why they are having a special aspect on these in the horoscope. So now I will also tell you about the natural benefics and natural malefics planet. See, Sun, there is no place here, I will write it down here. See, Sun and waxing moon, not waning moon, okay, Sun, waxing moon and Jupiter and also Mercury. If it is not being aspected by any malefic planet, Mercury, especially for Mercury, because Mercury is very auspicious planet. So if Mercury is being not aspected by any malefic planet, then Mercury is very auspicious. Also, if you see the malefic planets, these are the natural malefics. I will write it down. Sun, some say that Sun is also a malefic, but I cannot say like that, because Sun is typically has leadership qualities. Sun is not completely malefic. Sun has some malefic things, aspects, but still, like, I don't consider Sun as a malefic planet. Here we come as malefics. Then malefics, it's Mars. Mars is a natural malefic planet, and Saturn is also a natural malefic planet. So Mars and Saturn is commonly the natural malefic planets we have. Now, so waning and waxing moon, from waning and waxing moon, I meant to say, like, you have this question that what is actually waxing and waning moon. Suppose if moon is being aspected by Mars, either by Mars or by Saturn, then in that scenario, I mean, it is a malefic. Or in waxing moon means full moon, and waning moon is half moon. So waxing moon is always a benefic, comes under benefic. Let's talk about Venus as well. Here I forgot to write the Venus. Venus is also a benefic planet. Venus is also a benefic planet. So these are the natural benefics. Venus, Sun, waxing moon, Jupiter and Mercury are the natural benefics, and malefics are the Mars and Saturn. So I will discuss it in my next video, that what actually these malefics and benefics mean in the astrology. But like right now I have created the video on the aspects of the planets. So I hope you are very clear about the different aspects of these planets, especially for Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. For Saturn, I am also telling you that, like, during the transit, suppose if Saturn transits to different houses, then it takes around 2.5 years for each zodiac sign to cross. Like, if Saturn is being placed in this house, it will take 2.5 years to cross this zodiac sign. So Saturn is a very lazy type of planet. So this transit also have an aspect. If Saturn is in transit, then it also aspects the same. The aspects will remain the same. It will not change. Also for Jupiter and also for Mars. So I will discuss it later in my videos, that what actually the transit thing mean. Then I hope that you like my video, and do like, share and comment, and so that I can know that which topics are left, and if you post questions, then I will discuss it here. Thank you so much.